Only here. My name is Kashif Chaudhary. I'm a cardiologist in the United States. I'm just visiting my friend here. My question is, you talked about politicians using slogans just to win their, campaigns. While Imran Khan was campaigning, he used the Khatm al-Nubuwwat card a lot. He attended Khatm al-Nubuwwat conferences, and he assured the right wing that he would uphold the Second Amendment and the anti-Ahmadi laws of Pakistan. As things stand, Ahmadi Muslims cannot worship openly. They're denied the right to read the Quran. They can't vote in Pakistan. They can't call their mosques mosques. They can't identify as Muslims. I'm an Ahmadi Muslim myself, by the way. So, how does this assurance to the right wing, how do you see that in line with your own vision of turning Pakistan into Jinnah's vision? Jinnah was the person who stood for religious freedom in its complete entire sense. So how do you how do you see these two apparently contradicting things?
As I said earlier, it's not a very straightforward issue that can be answered in a very straightforward way. It's a very complex problem. People, since 1952, I would say, in 1952 we have that movement, but people are getting killed since 1952, and it's been 68 years that people are getting killed on these issues. So you can't have a very straightforward answer to such questions. But as far as the minorities are concerned, our vision is concerned, we are very inclusive. PTI is a very inclusive party. We are trying to create an environment where everyone can live his life as per the Constitution and as per the law.
Can I be the health minister in your party? As an Ahmadi Muslim.
That's a good question.
It's a good question. Yeah, why not? Under the Constitution you can.
As an Ahmadi Muslim?
Yeah. There's no bar.
Sure. I'll apply next year.
You'll get elected.